Alright, so we got a nicer one. Pretty good size. Took a little while, but skinny one, but it'll work. Hey, what's up everybody? Hey, gonna try a little something different with this video here, or at least this part of it, and I'm gonna do a little segment I'm gonna call What's in the Box. So this year I am trying to be more efficient when I'm out on the water and basically take less tackle and focus on those presentations and the few pieces of tackle that I do take with me. It may backfire at times, but that's what I'm gonna try to do. Let's take a look at what I've decided to pack. All right, so let's take a look at what is in the box. Opening up this side, focusing on reaction. We got some deep cranks, got some Strike King crankbaits here. Got shad pattern, yellow bass, and if the shad pattern is not working and the crawdad is, I have some crawdad colors, and sometimes the square bills work a little better. So I have some big square bills here in both a kind of a shad or fish pattern, and then one in a crawdad pattern. Over here I basically have some Senko setups, some Yamamoto Senkos, some various colors, green pumpkin, have some red, etc. I definitely like red for bed fishing. Seems to trigger bites when other colors won't. So, and you can't go anywhere without green pumpkin. I mean, it's just a staple. I mean, it is. Got your wacky rig tool. Need that for successful wacky rigging. And whoa, look at this old time bait here. Woo, I think this is what, like an old jitterbug or something. Yeah, I don't know. We'll see if that might be the secret bait tomorrow. We shall see. All right, what's on the other side? Okay, on this side, basically, I have a bunch of plastics. Over here, I'm focusing in on bed fishing colors. Clearly white, so I can see them in the water really easy. Got some chartreuse and some really bright chartreuse from Cactus Wren. Got some creature baits from Pro Swim Baits, Strike King, Rage Craw, Sweet Beavers, Reaction Innovation. Got some Zoom lizards in here. And then over here, basically I have an assortment of drop shot worms. So everything from Robo worms, some Cactus Wren. I have some missile craws in here as well. Focusing on the kind of brown, oxblood, and pink, and a little bit of red color patterns there. So that is what is on this side. All right, so the other side, not much really. Looks like I have some leftover baits from the other day, but the main one is basically a chatterbait, or a hinged bait here. I think this is a D&M, I believe, chatterbait with I have a Pro Swim Baits swim bait on here as a trailer, kind of a big, was it like a 5-inch, 6-inch, kind of bluegill looking bait there. So pretty versatile. I can throw this shallow or deep, doesn't really matter. So kind of multifaceted there, and that's pretty much it for that side, and that pretty much does it for the tackle box. So as you can see, I am really trying to maximize what I bring, or maximize the efficiency of what I bring, and not bring too much tackle, so I can focus on just these techniques. Stay tuned. Hopefully catch some fish with this tomorrow, and there'll be some more videos. So thanks for watching. Hey, what's up everybody? Out here at beautiful Saguaro Lake, doing a little small howl event. We had a cancellation on Saturday because of the weather, so We have one of the HOW participants that was able to come out with us today on this fine Monday here, President's Day here in the United States. So out here with a few group of people, just trying to figure out where the fish are. So far we haven't had any luck yet. Right now I'm dragging a big spinner bait and just got hung up a little bit, and pretty deep, and trying to see if there's something down here in these rocks that maybe I'm missing. So haven't really seen anything shallow, but we'll keep at it and see if we can get some here today, get some action for you guys. So stay tuned. Alright folks, so we finally got one. It's a small one. Caught on the cactus ringworm. Pretty small, but got something. Not skunked. Oh well. Hope we catch some more. Stay tuned. Largemouth bass. It's a bass.
That's beautiful. Nice.
Yes!
What time do the fireworks start?
Right now. Alright, so we got a nicer one. Pretty good size. Took a little while, but she's a skinny one, but it'll work.